Welcome back everybody to Malta Archery. Today we have a special and only a unboxing. Finally it arrived. I mean, it was not that hard to get it from Turkey to Malta, but then from Malta getting it to me, it was quite something. But you can blame whomever you want. I stopped the blaming game. You see that? Look. Yes, I think that's all. Wow. Look at this. So let's remove this. Let's remove this. So, and now look at this, my friends. Oh, you don't see a lot. We'll put this away. And now look at this. And they are even tied up there. Look at this. With a leather band. Look at this. Yes. That's insane. I think I fell in love with this bow already. What else do we have? Let's see this one. Guys, thank you very much. Simsek bow, look at this. I mean, you can order, I guess, this box. This is insane too. Wow. Huh? So you can expect very soon 3 more reviews. Oh, it's olive color and brown. And the decoration. And the third one. And look at this. Oh, he's so pretty. And so beautiful. Oh, and strong. Unfortunately, my friends don't write anything on it. So you don't know what you get. No poundage. You really need to write your company logo, the poundage, and what is the maxture of the bow. Very nice. Wow, wow, wow. So, but that's for now. I mean, look at this. There's even a small metal hinge. So you can keep your thingy open like this. Isn't that insane? But of course you want to see the bow strong, I guess. Look at this pretty bow. Look at this beautiful kid's bow. And of course I can't wait now to string it quickly. Technical data, specifications, everything in an extra video. We have small string grooves here. Look at this, the small one, huh? I don't know what the max draw length is, but I will tell you then in the video about this bow. And we have the next one. Wow, I'm excited. Yep, that feels good. So paper can go away. Wow. Huh? Pretty. Nice colors. Muted, not so shiny. Even this red is a darkish red, and this olive green something. And this nice decoration. It's not too much, not too less. I think it's just fine. Handle feels good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that bow does 28, huh? Look at the shape. Wow. They're all, by the way, easy to string, just in case I forget to mention. Look, it's a 7-inch brace height. Wow. This is how Turkish bow should, Ottoman bow should look like, huh? Look at this, a bit more shiny, the red. But here you have this olive green again, decoration. And then, as said, here the transition, Kazan. And then here this grade is starting here, going up. Really, really beautiful. Handle is very small, But for this, I will either show it in one of these videos or do an extra video with this. What did I show you? Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. I think this one will do 30 inches, but I will check the technical specifications first and then I do videos for all these beautiful bows. So Simsek bow, thank you very much to Shikila for sending them to me. You will see the reviews very soon. That was just the unboxing of these 3 beautiful bows. Reviews coming soon. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.